we have this question. A body is projected with the same velocity at two different angles, covers the same distance r. If Tf1 and Tf2 are the two time of flight, prove that the r, that is the range, is equal to 1/2 g Tf1 multiplied by Tf2. Basically it means if you draw the diagrams, let us suppose there is a body A which is projected at an angle of theta. This is body A with the initial speed of u, and there is a body B which is projected with the same initial velocity but at a different angle. Then they are going to cover, and it is also given that they cover the same distance r. So basically what we get from this question is that if they have the same initial velocity, that is the velocity of the projection, then the angle will be complementary, angle of projection will be complementary to each other. So it means if angle of projection of A is given as theta, then angle of projection of B will be equal to pi minus theta. So this angle will be pi minus theta. This is second body B. So we are also given that a time of flight of first body, that is body number A, is given as Tf1, and for body B it is given as Tf2. What we do, we have a direct relationship between time of flight based on their angle of projection, which is given as 2u sine of theta divided by g, and for body B it will be given as 2u sine of pi by 2 minus theta divided by g. This can be further solved as 2u cos of theta divided by g. So we have, let this be equation number 1 and this be equation number 2. If you multiply equation number 1 with equation number 2, we get Tf1 times Tf2 is equal to 2u sine of theta divided by g and 2u cos of theta divided by g. So this will be giving us 4u square sine theta cos theta divided by g square, or rather we can leave this as 2 multiplied by 2. So this 2 we are going to fix it here, then this becomes 2 sine theta cos theta. So we can write this as 2u square sine 2 theta divided by g square. And we also know the formula for range, which is given as 2u square sine 2 theta divided by g. We are also given that the range is given as u square sine 2 theta upon g. So we can convert this formula as 2 divided by g u square sine 2 theta divided by g. So in place this function, we can directly replace it by r, so that we get 2g multiplied by r, which is equal to Tf1 times Tf2. So you can write that r is equal to 1/2 g Tf1 times Tf2.